Hi everybody, it's Mary and it's alright. And today I want to show you how to do piping in a garment or a pillow, things like that. I am working on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Ruby 90. I have the machine set for plain straight stitch with the needle in the center. And I'm going to use the foot that's called a double welt cord foot. That's the label. And here's the foot. Looks kind of like regular foot, but it's what's underneath that's important. It has two channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my cord and see that I can get it in there. And this cord is on the smushy side, so when it compresses, it'll work. But it does fit in the channel. So I'm going to put this on the machine. I've cut a strip. Generally, I cut them about 2 inches in width. I'm going to take my cord, place it inside the fabric that will be my piping. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to feed it under the foot that the cord is going in the channel on the left side. Or I could flip it over and put it in the other one, but I'm going to do it this way. Raise that up a little bit, get that, make sure that's in there. And I'm going to move my needle to the right because I'm going to do this step first. And then when I sew it in between my other 2 layers of fabric, then I'm going to move the needle back to where it is right now. But I'm going to move the needle over to the right, just a little bit. That way when I do the next one, the new stitches will go past those stitches and you won't see these. So I'm going to go along and I'm just going. And you're going to do this all the way for your full strip. Viking also puts out another foot that if your cord was so large that you can't get it under there, it would work. So now I just make believe I went the whole length of my project. So I have my cord sewn in. So now I'm taking my other fabrics that I want to put my piping in. Could be from a garment or a pillow, home deck, and I'm going to place sandwich. I'm going to place it back under there with the cord in the same spot. And then I'm going to put my needle back to the original position. So when I re-choose my stitch, it put the needle back to where it was. And I'm going to lower my needle. I'm going to show you that the needle is really hugging the cord. So now as I stitch, that's going to be a nice snug fit. I'm just checking all my edges, raw edges are together. So let's take a look at how that looks. There we go. Wow, is that nice? That is a snug fit. That is great. So whether that's in a garment or pillow or any kind of home deck stuff, even craft stuff, table runners, things like that, that's a great accent. And any questions? Give us a call. 718-468-5858. See you on the next video. Bye.